goodness. Love you till the heaven stops the rain. You know what I've learned? This is weird. Love is green. The color of love is green. Love, unconditional love. Now, this is only from my experience. This might not even be like fully true. Love is green.
Yo, where the fuck where did my Red Bull go?
Lately, I've learned that too much of a good thing is not so good. So you have to keep balance, and you have to keep negativity in your life, because negativity isn't negativity. It's only a way that we react to it. So be sure and be conscious of all the things that make you feel negative and positive, because they're both equally as important. You just fucking know. That's gonna be both of us, dude. We're gonna be famous before you know it. This is gonna happen, dude. I can feel it happening. That's why I say it.
Yeet or be yeetin'.
Oh!